Establishing a small-scale goat farm in Zambia, a comprehensive guide. Welcome. My name is Master Waters. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of goat farming in Zambia. It's not just about raising animals, it's about creating opportunities, improving nutrition, and contributing to economic growth. So, if you've ever considered a venture in agriculture, particularly livestock, stick around. This guide will take you through the key steps of establishing a successful small-scale goat farm.